So maybe your little dude's been partying too hard and now you need to carry him around a little bit. So that's why you might want one of these Tomcast slings. What I like about it, on first inspection, this is still brand new for us, so we're still figuring it out. You've got a kind of a fleece material. It's a very lightweight material, essentially what a sweatshirt is made out of. And it's a very wide strap of that same material. And it's essentially a hammock or a sling. So little dude can step into it and he can be tired. He can be somewhere where he's not supposed to be walking or he can't walk, and he can just be in this sling, essentially a hammock is I guess the word I'm looking for. And once we pick him up in here, we've got him against our body. There's a place here to tether his collar or his harness, and he's just sort of in here as you'd expect in a sling or a pocket, and he's super comfortable. He likes it. It's kind of awkward to hold it up in front of the camera, but you can see for him it's great. And when it's against the body, he's nice and quiet and he can see all around. There's some snaps on the top, so if he was in here the right way, then we could snap the snaps. But he's always just sort of in a hammock. He's not enclosed like some other things. And what I like about that, there's no zippers. Let's pull him back out of here. There's no zippers. And it's so lightweight because it is essentially just a big taco or burrito wrapper, I guess, for him. And because it's such a light material, I'm thinking I can wrap this thing up, take it with on hikes in a backpack, and when the little dude gets tired, I could carry him for a little while till he's ready to go again. And this isn't so much to carry around as it would be if I had some of the larger ones. So this is the Tomcast dog carrier. Hope this helps.